weird. Which sutra are we on? Hmm. So we were doing aj dhatu, aj. We have to do aj dhatu. Ajgatau kshepane cha, page 420. So aj plus tip, ajati. Then ajervi ghanam vina ram dhatu ke. Aj is replaced by V when any Ram Dhatuka except Krit Pratyay Ghant follows. So we replace Aj by V when there is any Ram Dhatuka following. So Te Yak, Yak is Ram Dhatuka. So Aj becomes V, so we get Viyate. Viyate. Okay. Now this V is Anit. Anit means those dhatus which do not take it. It means that it Ram Dhatuka it. So those dhatus which do not take it, they are called anit or they are called net. And those dhatus which take it, they are called set. And those dhatus which optionally take it, they are called weight. So set, net, weight. So net or anit, same thing. So in dhatu part, there is a complete list given of all the anit dhatus. So Jiva Goswami is also presenting them. A list of the anit dhatus. Which of the dhatus they do not take it? So U Ri Ramant Ru Snukshnu Shi Yunukshu Shvidi Shribihi Vring Vingyam Cha Vinaikachah Swaranta Dhatuvo Nitaha. So there are these 7, 8, 9 verses which tells all anit dhatus. We actually memorized it when we were learning. So any dhatu that ends in a Sarveshwara and has only one Sarveshwara is anit. So any dhatu which ends in a Sarveshwara and has only one Sarveshwara is anit, like bhu. Bhu ends with Sarveshwara and it has only one Sarveshwara. But dhatus that end in u, like bhu ended with the long u, and dhatus ending with ri, the long ri, they are exceptions to this rule, which means they will take it. And the following dhatus are also exceptions to this rule. So general is any dhatu with one sarveshwara and dhatu should end with should end with a sarveshwara. So such dhatus are anit, but there are two kinds of exceptions. List of dhatus given here. These are exceptions. And those dhatus ending with trivikrama u or trivikrama ri, they are also exception. So ru shabde, shnu prasravane, shnu tejne, shing swapne, yu mishrana mishranayoh, नु स्तुतौ टुक्षु शब्दे टोष्वि गतिवृद्ध्योः डींग विहायसागतौ डींग विहायसागतौ श्रृंग सेवायां वृंग संभक्तौ वृंग वर्णे. So all these dhatus, they will take it. They are exception to this rule. Okay. Actually, the word Ravana comes from Ru Shabde. Ravana. Shayana comes from Shing Swapne. Shayana. In Hindi, we say udna, to fly, udna. So the root is D. In Sanskrit, we call it uddiyana. Uddiyana means to fly. So that comes from this D vihaya sagatav. Shri, the name of Lakshmi, comes from Shri. Actually, the word ashraya, that also comes from Shring Sevayam. Yeah, so very nice to know verbs and then what are the words coming from them. Um, Vayam numaha, somewhere it comes. Vayam numaha. So nu means to praise. It's also used. Naumi Krishna Sarupam. We say Naumi Krishna Sarupam. So that comes from nu. So in this way, so all these dhatus are exception. They will take it. They are not anit. Then
So
anit ek.
the Ru
Yes.
Dhatu, if we say Ravana, so one who makes cry or one who cries.
It's causative. So one who makes other cry. The no without causative it will be Ravana, and causative it is Ravana. So Ravana is one who makes other cry. Comes from Ru. See, causing to cry. Causative. The name itself is such. Ravayati. Yeah. Nich, ni is used. Okay. अनिडेकः शक्लि कान्ते चान्ते पचि वचि विचिः सिचिर मुचि रिचि चैकश छान्ते प्रच्छिर उदाहृतः. Second verse. Among the dhatus ending in ka, only one is anit. That's shakalri shakto. Shakri, we don't count ri, right? So it ends with ka. So like shaknoti, aham shaknomi, sah shaknoti. So this shakalri dhatu is only anit amongst the dhatus ending in ka. So among the dhatus ending in ka, only this dhatu is anit, shak dhatu. Then amongst the dhatus ending in cha, the following dhatus are anit. Do pachash pake, pach, like pachana, pak, all those words come from pach. Pachamyannam chaturvidam, Bhagavad Gita. So that comes from this pach. The cook in Sanskrit is called pachaka. Pachaka. Normally, when we say pachaka, it sounds like something which helps in digesting, like hajmola goli or something. Pachaka. But in Sanskrit, pachaka means a cook, one who cooks. In fact, the word pakva, have you heard pakva? Which means ripened. Pakva comes from pach, something which is cooked, ripened. Pakva. Very nice. Pach. In Hindi, we say paka raha hai. When someone bores us, paka raha hai. Root is pach. Then vacha paribhashane, like vachana, right? Vachana, uvacha, Arjuna uvacha. So all those comes from vach paribhashane. Uh, vichir prithak bhave. Vichir prithak bhave. Interesting. Words like Vivek, Vivek, Buddhi, Vivek. So that Vivek comes from this Vichir Prithak Bhave. Vichar, Vichar. I think Vichar is different, not from which. Yeah, it's not from which. Then Shicha, Ksharane, like Sechana, Sinchana, Sechana, all those. Muchri Mokshane, words like Mukti, Moksha, ityadi comes from this Muchri Mokshane. Then Richir Virechane. In India, we know this in Hindi books, especially. रिक्त स्थान की पूर्ति करें, fill in the blanks. रिक्त. रिक्त means empty. So that comes from this richir, richir virechane. So all these dhatus also are anit and they all are ending with charam. Then among the dhatus ending in cha, this only one dhatu is anit, which is prachgipsayam. Words like prashna, prichami, prishtah, ityadi all comes from this prachgipsayam. Then bhaji bhanji yaji tyaji ranji rujo bhuji sanji srijopyatha majjerapi yuji bhrijji niji vijirascha tatha swajiruddhava no jagane pyanitaha. So among the group of dhatus ending in ja, okay, so for those who came late, uh, there are three kinds of dhatus. Like that's one kind of classification. One kind of dhatus are set dhatus, which the dhatus which take it by it ram dhatu ke. Another kind of dhatus are anit dhatus or net dhatus, which do not take it. And then the third category is wet dhatus, which optionally take it. So set dhatu, net dhatu, and wet dhatu. So this is a complete list of all the anit or net dhatus given by Jiva Goswami himself. Among the group of dhatus ending in ja, the following are anit, like bhaja sevayam. Words like bhajana, bhakti, bhakta comes from bhaja sevayam. Bhanjo amardane, bhanjo amardane. We say bhagna. Sorry, bhagna. Yeah, we say bhang. Bhang ho gaya. Bhang. So that comes from this bhanjo amardane, to interrupt, break. Like mridanga bhanga leela. Mridanga bhanga in Mayapur, in Shiva Sangan, we have that. The bhanga mridanga still. So broken. Bhanjo amardane. Tribhangi. Shyam Sundar is Tribhangi. So he's how will you say broken at three places? No. Let's see Tribhangi in dictionary. Tribhanga. Tribhanga. Okay, nothing here. Tribhangi, a kind of measure. Nothing here. Tribhangi. No. Anyhow, so Tribhanga, like division or some, it comes from the same root.
It is bent.
Bhanjo amardane.
Bhanga means bent. It can also
Yeah, I can say bent there at three places. But the root is same, bhanjo amardane. So it's not hard and fast meaning of each dhatu. Each dhatu can also have many similar modified meanings according to context. It's not fixed. Yaj deva puja sangati karana daneshu. Anit, yaj, words like yajna, yajna, yajna. What else? They all come from yaj. Yajman. त्यज हानो, त्यज, त्याग, त्यक्त, रंजरागे, रुजो भंगे, भुज पालनाभ्यवहारयो, या भुजाम. The word bhuj actually is used a lot. I've seen it. It means to eat, enjoy, and it also means to rule. So for kings, this word is used a lot. Bhuj. Because they rule, they protect.
भोगते
हाँ,
लाइक भोगते प्रभु जी
भोगते?
हाँ
No, भुंगते भोजयते चाहिए. So भुंगते, भुंगते, bhuj. Yeah, bhungte comes from bhuj. It means to eat. Bhungte, to eat. And bhojayate also comes from bhuj. Bhungte bhojayate. Eating and causing to eat. Causative.
भोजन
Bhuj Kautilye, then Shanja Sange, words like Sanga, ityadi comes from this. Srija Visarge, Srishti, Sarga Visarga, all these words come from this. Srija Visarge. So all these dhatus, and then two Masjo Shuddhau, um, then Yuja Samadhau, Yujir Yoge. The word yoga comes from these dhatu, Yujir Yoge or Yuja Samadhau. Bhrajya Pake, Nijir Shauche, Vijay Prithak Bhave, Shvanja Parishonge. So all these dhatus are also anit. Adim Hadim Skandi Vidhi, Chidi Kshudin, Shadim, Sadim Svidyati, Padyati Khidim, Tudim Nudim Vidyatikam, Vinattikam, Prati Dantan Dasha Pancha Chanitaha. So these dhatus ending with the, they are also anit. Adbhakshane, to eat. Hadapuri Shotsarge, to evacuate. Skandir Gati Shoshanayo, Vidir Vidarane, Chidir Dvidhakarane, Kshudir Sampreshane, Shadri Shatane, Shadri Visharanagatya Sadaneshu, Shadri the same, Nishvada Gatra Praksharane, Padagatau Khida Dainye, Khida Parighate, Khida Dainye, Tuda Vyathane, Nuda Prerane, Vida Sattayam, Vida Vicharane. All these are also anit. Then Krudhi Radi Rudhi Kshudhi Buddhyatayo Vyadishuddhyati Siddhyati Bandhi Yudha Sahasadhaya Ityanito Dhagane Animanyati Chetyapi Nanta Gane. So these dhatus ending in dha, they are also anit. Krudha Kope Radha Sanksiddhau Rudhir Avarane Anu Rudha Kame Shrudha Bubhukshayam Buddha Avagamane Vyadha Tadane Shudha Shauche Shridhu Sangradhau Bandha Bandhane, Yuddha Samprahare, Sad Sansiddhau. So all these are also anit. And some dhatus ending with na, Han Hingsagatyo Man Jnane. They are also anit. Swapi Vapi Tipi Tapi Tripyapi Shapopi Kshipi Stripi Lipi Lumpa Chupi Dripayaha Panta Ganeshvata Bhante Labhir Abhiyabhayo Magane Yami Rami Nami Gamayascha. So those dhatus ending with pa, anit dhatus, Nishvapashaye, like swapna and all comes from this. Nishvapashaye. Du vapa bija dantu santane. Tipri ksharane. Tipri ksharane. In English, in Hindi we say tip, you know, which so must be coming from this tipri ksharane. Tapasantape, tap, santap, all those comes from this tapasantape. Tapasya, tapas comes from this. Tapatape Aishwaryeva. Tripa Prinane, Tripti, Tripti and all. Tarpana comes from trip. Apri Vyapta, Apta, Prapta, Samapta, Vyapta, all such words they come from this Apri Vyapta. The prefixes change, but the root is same. Apt, Vyapt, Samapt, Prapt, ityadi. Shapa Akroshe, Shap, Shap, curse comes from this Shapt. Kshipa Prerane, Sripri Gatau. The word Sarpa, snake, comes from this Srip Dhatu. Because the Sarpa crawl, it doesn't walk.
Guruji, for example, you have just said about the slip. So what is the gato means? Slip is the dhatu and what is the function of gato?
Gato is giving the meaning of the dhatu. So Gatau, first of all the second words like Prinane, Vyaptau, Akroshe, Prerane, Gatau, all of them, they are in seventh ending. Saptami Vibhakti. So it means in the meaning of movement, in the meaning of this, in the meaning of that. So the dhatu and the meaning is given in Saptami Vibhakti.
Okay.
Lipa Upadehe, like we say Chandana Lepana, to anoint, comes from lipa. Then Lupri Chedane, Chupa Sangsparshe, Dripa Garve. So all these are also anit. Then few dhatus ending with bha, they are Do labhash prapto, words like labh, labh, hani, labh, rabha, rabhasya, yabha, maithune. So all these are anit. Few dhatus ending in ma, yamu uparame, yamraj, yam, ramu kridayam, nama prahatva shabdecha, words like namami, namaha, pranam comes from nam, gamrigato, gamana, ityadi. They are also anit. Yes, Prabhu?
So in earlier, there were the two same things. This Shap Akroshe. So why this two times it is given?
Yeah, they are in different ganas. First one is in Bhuadi Gana. The second one is in Bhuadi Dadi jo hote thi Divadi Gana. So they will have different forms.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's possible. Then Shishi, Shlishi, Dushya, Vishit, Vishid, Vishin, Prishim, Krishim, Pushyati, Shushya, Dushatin, Dishim, Drishim, Dangshi, Mrishi, Rishim, Rushim, Lishi, Sprishi, Krosha, Visho, Nito, Jagu. Nice tongue twister. So these are the dhatus ending in sh, which are also anit, like shisha, hingsayam, shishri visheshane, shlisha alingane, dush vaikritye. Like, we say dusht. We say dusht comes from this dush. Duryodhana comes from this dush. Like that. Vishu, sechane, Vishri vyapto. The word Vishnu comes from this. Vishnu Vyapto. That's why Vishnu means all pervading, literally. Tvisha Dipto, um, Tvisha Krishnam. What is that word? Krishna Varanam Tvisha Krishnam. Tvisha Kanti. So that is Tvish. Dvisha Apritau. Pishri Sanchurnane. In Hindi we say pisna, to grind, we say pisna. Comes from the root pish. Peshana. Pish. Krisha Vilekhne Akarshane cha. Today we were studying in Mayapur Sanskrit some avyayas, about avyayas. So one Mataji from somewhere from out of India, and she was like, "Oh, many words we also use in our language, like sada, kada, tada," and she was mentioning few words. So everyone have taken something from Sanskrit or based on Sanskrit. So otherwise, how come sada, tada, such Sanskrit words are used in other languages, which are not even regional Indian languages? Krisha Vilekhane Akarshane, Krisha Vilekhane, Pusha Pushtau, Shusha Shoshane, Tusha Tushta. All these are also anit. Then some dhatus ending with sh, the talavya sh, disha atisarjane. From this dish we get adesh, updesh, nirdesh, to give, to order, to tell. Drishir prekshane, darshana, and so on. Dangsha dangshane, mrishir amarshane, risha hingsayam, rusha hingsayam, lisha alpi bhave, lisha gatau, sprisha sangsparshe, krusha ahvane, vishas praveshne. All these are also anit. घसिष्ठ वसति शांते हांते दहति मेहति देहिर दुहि लहि रोहिर वहिर नहिर इमे निटह. So all these dhatus ending with the dantiya dental sa, they are also anit. Ghasri adane. The word ghas, like generally we say ghas, like grass. So the word ghas comes from this ghas. Ghas. Vasanivase. Then there are words, dhatus ending with ha. दह भस्मीकरणे मिह सेचने दिह प्रलेपे दुह प्रपूरणे लिह आस्वादने रुह जन्मनि प्रादुर्भावे च वह प्रापणे नह बंधने. So all these dhatus are anit. Here we complete the whole list of the anit dhatus.
Prabhuji, Vilekhan means to pull.
Yeah, to pull. Just like a farmer, he pulls his plow. Similarly. Generally, the word Krishna, Yah Karshati Sa Krishna. Generally, we translate it as one who attracts, he is Krishna. But one of the other meaning of Krish is also Vilekhana, to pull. Krishi, Krish, Vilekhane, Akarshaneja. So one who pulls us near him is also Krishna, grammatically. Or one who pulls Krishna. Someone can say, I mean, just pure speculation. Krishna. So Krish is to pull. Na iti narakat. Pure speculation. Narakat karshati. Krishna. Anyhow, don't go for that.
And Prabhuji, in the Vritti, it is Jiva Goswami's writing, you iti you mishrane nu sahacharyat.
Mhm.
You, Prabhuji, you meaning?
Yeah, so this Vritti is just giving some more addition here and there. I would prefer just skip it. Don't go for it. Yeah. Okay, we'll stop here for grammar. So I need to go somewhere because we're packing up. We'll be leaving from Mayapur. So if Manas Prabhu wants, we can take one, two of your questions.
Yes, Prabhuji, in the WhatsAppam, uh,
WhatsApp madhe.
WhatsApp madhe, I have put it stapit stapitami.
Yes. So which one? Kim Lagudvasya Govinda not applied in Kuthi Dhatu?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Oh, wait. Where?
In Prabhuji, ओ नहीं बन जाना चाहिए था.
पर नुम है na is at Uddhava. So how Lagudvasya? We have na at Uddhava. So it's not applicable now.
Yes, okay.
Okay, then next. Aham abhyasam karomi. Good. Tavat bhutesho mama abhyasam galatam bhavati. अतः अहम न जानामि कुत्र अहम गलतम अस्मि. Which one?
Prabhuji, in the Bhutesh, Swanja Pari Swangye.
श्वंज परिस्वंगे.
Prabhuji, मैंने अपने हिसाब से वो पिछले पेज में मैंने किया है. मम भूतेश अभ्यासम
This is Bhutesh Karmani, right? Atmapada.
कर्तरी.
Aswaji is
Yes, कर्मणि. Yes.
Karmani, Atmapada. Aswaji. Okay, this one will discuss. अब next class में इसको शुरू में ही बताना, तो इसको हम डिक्लाइन करके देखेंगे.
Done, Prabhuji.
हाँ, इसको डिक्लाइन करके लाइव वहां देखेंगे. और कुछ है?
नहीं, Prabhuji.
Okay, so we'll stop here and we'll resume on Saturday in Vrindavan, from Vrindavan. Finally. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, bro.
Hare Krishna. Jai Jai. Jai Gaur.